look what I got in the mail.
Rain, 우린 젖은 채로 stay 하루 종일 또
Oh my god, I'm so excited. It is YesStyle's Christmas Advent Calendar. They do one every year, and every year it looks better and better. This is called the Christmas Capsules, and I think it's like kind of a play on capsule toys combined with Korean beauty products. The box launches on the 15th of October, so if you're watching this video right now, it either is in a few days, or maybe if you're watching it a little bit late, it already passed. But this is definitely a box that so many people look forward to every year because the value in here is over $500. But you're paying, I think, $165. So for a fraction of the price, you're getting so many good products, and I think there's a lot of full-size products in here as well. I'm gonna unbox everything with you guys today so you can see for yourself if this is something that you want. And the first one is down here, so let's see what's in there. Ooh, the first one is Tier, and I'm not sure if you guys know this brand, but their cushion went viral, so the brand basically also went viral. And this is a Hydro Boost Enzyme Cleansing Balm and a Milk Skin Toner. So a toner and a cleansing balm duo. Love that. Let's just go in order of the numbers that are on here. This one has a little drawing of a lip gloss or lipstick. And it has a lipstick inside. It's the Peripera Ink Lasting Lip Gloss. I love Peripera. Which shade is it? It is in the shade 1 Clear. If you know, you know, I'm a gloss girly, and a clear lip gloss can never go wrong. Oh my god, I can't open it. Ooh, ruined the packaging. Ooh. A clear gloss, can never go wrong with that. We love. Number 3 is up here. Green Tangerine Phyta C Dark Spot Care Serum from the brand Goodall. Should I open it? It looks like this, and it's a serum. Then we have number 4. Moni Extreme Long Lash Protection. So this is either a mascara or a serum. I think it's a mascara, isn't it? Yeah, it's a mascara. Love. Moving on to number 5. The Round Lab Sunstick. If you know, you know. This also went viral. I have the tube, like with the cream at home, but I didn't have the sunstick, and I heard really good stories about this. Oh my god, I'm so excited for this one. Love. They have really good brands in here. Really, really good brands. Is this number 6 or am I blind? No, 6. What is this? Astura Edo Barrier Cream, a moisturizing cream with strengthening skin barrier for dry and sensitive skin. Okay, I need this because I ran out of my moisturizer literally today. A nice little tube. This is, by the way, what the stick looks like. 7 is up here. Mood Shower Face Palette. Sensational colors pour like rain. Create a look that exudes a mood you want to remember in every moment. Ooh, it's from the brand Alicia. Can you guys see? It's a palette. It's an eyeshadow palette. I did not just put my whole finger in the eyeshadow and scooped half of it out. And this is also the nice gold shade. Okay, we're gonna put this aside for a second and deal with this later. Oh my god, things are falling out. Okay, wait, let me clean my hand first. Okay, I'm back, and I'm also gonna open up the Tier that I showed, which was number 1. I'm opening everything up because I cannot take the box with me back to the Netherlands, so I need to throw away all the packaging, which is kind of sad because I really love this one. This is what the Milk Skin Toner looks like. Very nice. The cleansing balm. This one is kind of unfortunate, but this is what it looks like. Very pretty shades. And I think I'm gonna love the pink shade and the beige or the peach shade the most. So far, this is all that we opened, and it's from 1 to 7. Then we open number 8. Ooh, this is from the brand Believe. I haven't read what it is yet, but it's from the brand Believe, which I think is really good. Moisturizing Eye Balm, clinically tested to retain skin's moisture for up to 48 hours. New and improved. It's an eye cream. I love their packaging. It looks so fancy. Like, this is so cute. Okay, eye creams are always good. Eye cream in the pocket. Number 9. The packaging is so cute. Lily by Red. We got Lily by Red. This is one of the brands that I wear the blushes from. And I've been obsessed with my blush. I took it with me. Ooh. Okay, I think this is another blush. Lily by Red Love Beam Blur Cheek. Blur Cheek. Oh, maybe it's like a base to blur your cheeks. It doesn't seem like it's an actual blush. It's a very subtle color and it's kind of like... I can't really describe what kind of color it is, but it seems like it's kind of like a prep thing. If you get what I mean. Number 10. Ooh, Anua Serum. This is the Anua Niacinamide and TXA Serum. Ooh. I have a few products from this brand, but I don't think I have the serum yet. I do have the serum already, so I'm gonna give this to someone else. 11. This one has a pencil on the front, so it might be a pencil in here. And it's a reforming contour stick from the brand Cologram. Oh, it's interesting. It has a brush on this side. Like this is a brush. The other side will be the contour stick. Okay, yeah. I think this is a little too light for me, so I might give this one to someone else as well. But we love. Number 13. Mood Lasting Brush Liner from the brand Holika. Is this an eyeliner? It does have a shade. I think it's in the shade number 2. Rosy Brew. It's an eyeliner, but it's in the shade rosy something. Oh my god, it's actually an eyeliner in the shade rose. Like that's, oh my god, I love. Oh, and it doesn't smudge. It doesn't smudge, it lasts. Okay, love. Oh, I think we skipped number 12 because I see number 12 here. I'm sorry. Number 12. Some by me. I think in the previous box there were also a few of the Some by Me products. This time we have Super Miracle Spot All Kill Cream. It seems like it's a spot treatment. So if you have a breakout, then the last step in your skincare routine is dab a little bit of this on for 14 days and it will do something. Oh, the packaging is really fancy. Number 14. What is this? Mung Bean pH Balanced Cleansing Foam. I like how it's an 80 milliliters tube because then I can bring it in my travel bag. Because the previous one that I had was like 130 or 150 and it was too big to bring, so I had to like put it in a small tube. But this one I can just bring like this. Number 15. What is this? Saika No Sebum Moisture Powder from the brand VT. Is this a powder for your makeup? Oh my god! I love, because right now I only have the Charlotte Tilbury powder, but that one is like a setting powder and this is a loose powder. Okay, we're gonna try this out. So up till number 15, this is what we have. 2 little boxes full of goodness. Number 16. They have the brand Medicube in here. Medicube, the one that have all those, like the facial device. This is Medicube Night Care Collagen Night Wrapping Mask. It actually dries up as like a little mask, but you're gonna sleep with it. You're gonna sleep with this on. Ooh. Oh my god, look at the packaging. Oh, I'm so excited to try this. I'm so excited. Like this looks luxurious. This looks fancy. This is gonna be on my little nightstand. Number 17. Oh, which brand is this? Etude House. It's a lip product, glowy tint, over glowy in the shade Bambi Cherry number 5. Etude House is a brand that I used to always buy when I was like in Thailand when I was younger. And I'm happy that they're still out there doing what they need to do. This packaging is also so cute and so fancy. Like I love the whole glass looking effect that it has. Well, I'm not gonna open it yet because I'm not gonna use it yet. So the second you open it, I feel like once you open it, you have like a limited time to use it. So I did open it slightly, but put it back in the pocket. Number 18. So far, so much value in here, guys. Like, I'm so excited. They also put the Mixum Bean Essence in here, which is like a viral product as well. And I actually got it before. I think it kind of leaked in here, actually. The packaging is kind of feeling soft. The whole thing leaked. Oh my god. What happened? Alright, I cleaned it and it goes into the box of goodies. Number 19, Romance the Universe Liquid Glitter. Ooh, it's in the shade Minty Way. I like Romance. I have a lip product of them and it's really, really nice. This is for Halloween, Christmas, New Year, any time that you want to like dress up a little bit, have a little glitter on you. This your girl, this your girl. Number 20, ooh, we're nearing the end. Why am I shocked? It's YesStyle. They know what to give us. This is the Dear Klairs Midnight Blue Calming Cream Intensive Soothing Care After Sun Care. So it's basically a good cream, like a heavy beauty cream. And I have been struggling trying to find like a cream that really works for me. So I'm excited to try this one. And I also like their packaging, like very sleek, very dark, very elegant. Very, very nice. 21, brand is Abib. And these are collagen eye patches. Jerry Cho Rose Jelly. So these are eye patches? These eye patches you can actually use on the under eye, on your smile lines, on your cheeks. So it's multi-purpose, it's not just for the eyes. Okay, it has a really nice spoon that you can use for the eye patches. I'm not gonna open it up. I'm not gonna open it up all the way because I don't want it to like start expiring. We love eye patches. Number 22. Ooh, what is this? News Care Lip Jewel in the shade 8 Coolish. Oh, this packaging looks really cool. Coolish. News Coolish. Oh, I opened it. Oops. Oopsie boopsie. I'm too curious. Oh, okay, it's a lip product. It seems like it's a tinted lip balm. I love the packaging. This is so cute. This is so retro vibes. Like it's lilac, but then the bottom and the top are the same thing, but they contradict each other. It's fun. It's fun packaging. We love fun packaging. And number 23. Ooh, Numbazin. These are vitamin concentrated. This is a vitamin concentrated serum, brightening antioxidants. So we have this thing and then we also have the little drop thing to use the serum. So I'm gonna be on my skincare. This also feels very fancy and very travel friendly. And then the last one, which is number 24, and it has like a little Christmas tree, can you see? Ice Cream Palette Candy Berry from the brand Dasik. 9 sweet shades. Stop, let me show ya. Oh my god, these shades. These are like little balls of eyeshadow. Oh my god. Like there's nice brown and neutral shades, but then there's also the glittery shades, and I like to do like a nude matte kind of shade on my eye and then go on with a glitter. So this is the perfect palette for that. Very excited to try. And that's the whole box. Oh, on the front we have this one. So that's the whole box. So many nice things in here. This is the chaos that we're working with right now, and we ended up filling 3 of these boxes of skincare, makeup, and all the good goodies. This one got me so excited, guys. Like you don't even know. Like this got me so excited. Can't wait to try everything. So that was it for the unboxing. I hope you guys liked to see what was in here. I'm super excited to try out all the products, and as I mentioned before, on the 15th of October is their launch date. So if you're watching it on the day that I'm posting this, you still have a few days to think about whether you want to get it or not. And I know from previous years that they sell out super fast, like super fast. So get on it, and I will also put a little link down below so that you can find it. And thank you for watching as always. Hope to see you in my next video, and have a good day. Bye.
Rain 우린 젖은 채로 stay 하루 종일 또 색다른 motive